Hello, young innovators. Avishkaar brings you a new kit that will help you code and build 50 plus gadgets. Wondering what is so unique about this kit? 1. It is a one-stop solution to learn coding, hands-on skills, and even basic electronics and app development. 2. It comes with the Avishkaar Maker board, a one-of-its-kind programmable board. While other such boards in the market, like Arduinos and Raspberry Pis, do not have any onboard features, the Maker board has 4 buttons, an LED matrix, a buzzer, and even a Bluetooth module, which allows you to make physical gadgets without having to connect any external electronic components whatsoever. And 3. With this kit, you can say no to spending hours on screen while learning to code, as you build tangible gadgets instead of digital software. And you can easily convert your Maker board into smart gadgets like a smart watch, a smart lamp, a handheld game console, or even a portable TV. Coding just got more exciting, isn't that right? So what are you waiting for? Buy your Avishkaar's Coder Starter Kit today, the perfect kit to learn coding.